Hello everyone. Uh, this is Krishnaveni again. We are going to see how we can use a particular function to meet this particular scenario. If you want to buy a car and you are applying for a loan of rupees 5 lakh from the bank, and the bank provides the loans for 5 years, and bank is asking you to make payment of rupees 15,000 every month. You'd like to know what would be the interest rate. This is for the 5 years, and the amount is 5 lakh, and every month you have to pay 15,000. Let us take this example here. Obviously we have to find out what would be our interest rate. So obvious rate is the important function, which is also an inbuilt function in the Excel and the financial function, where we can find this particular rate function, or else we can use this syntax to calculate the financial functions. And also this helps us to understand what would be the interest rate if other things are in a constant way. Say in this number of period to be given, payment to be made, and the present value. If we know the future value, that can also give one, and type whether we are going to make payment in the beginning of the year, month, or end of the month. That is to be spelled out very clearly over here. And with this we are going to set up the Excel initially like this, and the value is the loan amount is 5 lakh. Okay, this is my if a bank is giving 5 lakh now, that is my present value, and I am going to make payment for 15,000 every month. This is for 5 years. Obviously the term of the loan is 60 months. So in year 12 months, obviously for the 5 years it could be the 60 months. Okay, let us use this particular value, and this is the way we have to calculate the rate and rate function to be used over here. Let us see, and we will fill it with the Excel. Here again, like here also we will hide and we will find out. Here the rate of interest. Now we like to have a rate function, and we will apply this. Here we are going to calculate the rate of interest. So, and here either we can go this financial function and we can apply this rate from here, or we can use this could in this way we can use this, or else we can use the syntax also, rate equal to. First, we have to give the number of periods. This is for 60 months, and here the payment. I'm not. I didn't give. It is an outflow. Obviously, it should be denoted in minus. I didn't give. So what I can do is here minus this value, and my present value is 5 lakh is my loan, and I don't have any opinion on the future value. At the same time, here the assumption is I'm going to make my payment at the end of the every month. This is the assumption over here. So let us see, 2% is my interest rate. So this is very super easy. At the same time, it helps us to make our decision. Within few minutes we can make our decisions, and we can come for a conclusion. Say for example, I like to change it as a 6 lakh. So what would be my percentage? Rate of interest will be the 1%. And if it is for if it is an uh, uh, say for example, I am going to make my payment of rupees 20,000 every month, obviously. So if it is a 15,000, the rate of interest will be low, and if I am making a payment for the same set of amount for the same number of periods, obviously the interest rate is high. And if I am increasing my number of payments, again the interest rate, let us see what would be my interest rate. If it is an 2 lakh, and this is for, sorry, this is for 5 lakhs, and my payment is 15,000. This is for 72 months. Obviously, the rate of interest is low. Say for example, if I'm making my payment of rupees 25,000 every month, obviously the rate of interest is high because for the same amount of loan, it is for the same number of periods and my payment is increasing due to because of interest rate. And here the other advantage is the financial, we can compare as an investor or a borrower, we can compare what is the rate of interest charged by the particular bank with the other bank, or with the particular financial institution with the other financial institutions. This is the way we can make our decision, and we can use this, and within no minute of time we can finalize what would be my rate of interest. Yes, these financial functions are very much useful to make our decisions very easily. With the result based on the rate calculation, it's clear that a particular borrower or the investor have to pay 2.17 in terms of decimal percentage of rate of interest if he goes with 5 lakh rupees of loan, and he makes a payment of rupees 15,000 every month for 60 months. Then the rate of interest is 2.17. If I am getting a loan from same amount for the same set of period with the payment, and my interest rate is 1.75, which is best, I can go with the low interest rate. This comparison is also possible. So we can, as an investor or borrower, need to compare the rate of interest charged by the different financial institutions. So this is very easy to make our financial decisions easily. Thanks for listening. Thank you.